On everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Nick the Entrepreneur. Today we are going to be doing some FBA shipments and then we'll be done for the day. It's going to be short, it's going to be fun, just a lot of time lapses. So I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you so much for everyone that has subscribed. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I run a decal and sticker business for the most part. I also have a toy company. If you go back in my last couple 50, 100 videos, you'll notice and see that I don't just do stickers and decals. And I show my ups and downs in business. So if you're interested in that, and you're an entrepreneur or you want to become an entrepreneur, subscribe down below. I make a video every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. So let's get started. I got these puppies ready to cut, and yeah, we're ready to roll. Look at this. This is beautiful. I don't know why I didn't set this up earlier. Doing two different machines at once, doing two different things. I ain't gotta worry about anything. We got two in one. Amazing. Ah. Look at this mess. Oh my gosh. Oh, got these puppies. That's it. This is going out now. Enjoy the time lapse. We're gonna pack this baby up and send them out, and then we'll be done for today. All right, y'all, we have this shipment ready to go to UPS. We got 91 pieces in this little 12 by 4 by 4 box. You know, just trying to get as much as I can out. So this is what we got. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. And now let's go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. All right, guys, I'm excited about this one. So we made $118.25 on eBay yesterday, $132 on Shopify yesterday, and a whopping $507 on Amazon. So we made a total $758 yesterday total revenue. Super excited about that, guys. Look at that graph. We're at $4,696. I know that it's not going to be like this every day. I know it's going to be lower on some days, higher on some, but this is our first big day in a really long time, guys. And I know it's not how it used to be, but that's okay. This is a good number. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys tomorrow. And I'll be making a video every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. So please, if you enjoyed these videos, subscribe and give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. All right, guys, happy Saturday. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Sunday. Have a great rest of your day.